It's time for car versus car contest. Every week, 2 contestants will show off their car with 90-second videos to compete to win a $100 Amazon gift card for me. And the winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. And here comes this week's contestants.
Hey guys, my name is Victoria, and this is my 97 240SX SE. This is the kooky version to the S14 generation. This particular model was only available in 97 and 98, and only 5,000 were produced. Out of the 5,000 produced, only 200 were produced in Starfire Blue Pearl, which I am fortunate enough to own. I've owned the car since 2011. I've tried to maintain it as original as possible. All modifications have been done by either me or my boyfriend Kevin. However, the car does contain some OEM counterparts from the Japanese model called Sylvia. It's powered by the original Ka engine, however it's turbocharged, running about 12 psi on a T3 T4 Turbonetics turbo. It makes around 300 horsepower, which is double the factory horsepower. Suspension-wise, it's on a KW coilover. The rear end is out of a 300ZX twin turbo, and the brake setups are off of an R33 Skyline. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the car and have a nice day.
Hello Scotty and fellow subscribers. This is my very rare 1996 3000 GT Spider SL. Only 62 1996 Spider SLs were ever produced. 20 black, 21 red, and 21 white. All with a tan leather interior. This car had an original sticker price of $58,000. The interesting thing about the Spider is the retractable hardtop. It was the first production car to have one since the 1957 through 1959 Ford Skyliner pictured here. Take a look at how the retractable hardtop roof works. At the push of one button, the door windows roll down and the quarter rear windows recess into the roof. At the same time, the rear deck opens up to reveal the roof's storage area, only usable when the roof is up. As the roof folds down into the trunk area, the rear deck closes back down and transforming it into a convertible. All SLs came with a 3-liter 24-valve dual overhead cam engine developing 222 horsepower. My name is Joe, and thanks for watching.
Well, that was this week's videos. And remember, to have your car shown here and to compete to win, email me a picture of your car and I'll choose the best ones to show in next week's episode. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.